Good morning, gorgeous. Today is another video and I've been wanting to make this video for a while now. It's gonna be a vlog style video. I have been really getting back into my fitness full force. Finally feel like I've been getting into the groove of things and sticking with a plan. So I kind of wanted to share with you my whole fitness routine, everything I've been doing to stay on track during this time of still navigating through the pandemic. Here in Ontario, where I live in Canada, things are finally starting to open up, but we're still not really open. Things are on limited capacities. Finding my groove with my fitness during this whole pandemic has definitely been a little bit more difficult for me. I wanted to share with you like a whole day of what I do to stay in shape and keep healthy. First, I'm gonna start off with a quick little grocery haul because the other day I did go grocerying for the week. I went grocery shopping for the week. So I wanna share with you kind of like my staples and what I've been buying pretty consistently every single week. I just went ahead, filled up my water. It is currently the morning time, so I'm gonna also make some breakfast after I share my little grocery haul. And I'm just gonna kind of share it with you, my meals and kind of my little workouts that I've been incorporating into my day because I have been trying to be a lot more active throughout my day. I did recently just upload a video doing 10,000 steps every day for a week, which I'll link that above and have down below. But that really inspired me and pushed me to be more active throughout my day because it was definitely something I struggled with. I actually no longer have coffee in the morning. It's been about 2 to maybe even almost 3 months where I have not even had one coffee. And if you guys have been with me for a while, that is an accomplishment. I used to drink coffee constantly and felt like I couldn't live without it, but I just found my body felt really yucky when I would have caffeine. I feel like I have a little bit of an intolerance, which is really hard for me to admit. So I decided to just kind of cut it out. And I didn't also just want to rely on having coffee every day to feel like I can't do anything unless I have a coffee. So I've really been trying to push myself to realize that I don't need caffeine to be productive and to feel awake. Sometimes I'll have a caffeine-free tea, usually more at nighttime, but for the most part, strictly water, no caffeine. I'm pretty proud of that. Let's start off with a quick little grocery haul. I went ahead and laid out my groceries for you guys, so I'm gonna go quickly right now and I am going to go through all of my go-to staples for the week and share with you everything that myself and Nicholas have been purchasing for the week to stay on track and also eat just healthy throughout the week. This right here is just some of the groceries I picked up this week. The first thing, of course, are some bananas. I get bananas every single week. I like to have one almost every day or every other day, and sometimes I also like to make banana and oat pancakes, so these come in handy. I also went ahead and picked up some baby spinach. I've been trying to have a lot more salads, throwing this into egg whites and just throwing it into meals to get my greens in. I also picked up some peppers. I love these ones. They are baby peppers. And if you guys are wondering, that all of this is from Costco. These are the peppers I pick up from there. They're just smaller and I find I can actually finish these more as opposed to the bigger ones. And I like to cook these for like stir fries and also just throw them in salads. And then I also went ahead and picked up these mini cucumbers. I like to also add these into salads or just have it as a snack with some hummus or something. This isn't really a staple. I just was intrigued to have it. I picked up some scallops. I also have some meat in my freezer, but I didn't have to actually pick up any more meat this week because I had enough. So this is just the one thing I picked up. I haven't had scallops in forever and I thought it would just be something different. And then over here are my frozen berries. I have a whole pack of these and I use these all the time for my oats, as you guys will see, smoothies, and even my yogurt. So I love this. This is the mixed berries one. So it comes with blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, which are my favorite. And then I also have some frozen broccoli. These are really convenient. You just throw them in the microwave for 5 minutes and you got your broccoli. I like to spritz a little bit of lemon on it to give it some flavor. I like to have a lot of frozen things just because it's only me and Nicholas. So a lot of things sometimes go bad on us. So to avoid that, I get frozen options. So like frozen fruit and frozen veggies. Over here, I just have the almond milk that I use. This is the So Nice Organics unsweetened almond milk. Use this for smoothies, for overnight oats I've been making a lot. I also like to use this one if I have cereal. Of course, I just have my Kirkland Greek yogurt. I have 3 of them. I only took out 2, but use this, of course, for smoothies and just my yogurt. I've been really getting into yogurt a lot, and it's one of my go-to breakfasts and one of mine and Nicholas's staples, so I always pick up some yogurt. I also went ahead and picked up some egg whites. I've been really getting into egg whites. I've been mixing my whole eggs with egg whites, a healthy way to get healthy proteins in. Speaking of eggs, I picked up whole eggs as well. I always get this big carton from Costco. It has 30 large eggs, and I've been really making eggs a lot for breakfast or even sometimes lunch, to be honest. And with my eggs and egg whites, a lot of the times I've been making also turkey bacon. I honestly prefer the taste of turkey bacon over regular bacon. I feel like, I don't know if that's the popular opinion, but I'm not that into regular bacon, and I find turkey bacon is just a little bit more of a healthy alternative, and it tastes really good to pair it with your eggs. And the last thing, of course, I picked up are some grape tomatoes. I use this for salads. I use this sometimes in meals, in my eggs. I've even used this for that feta pasta that's popular on TikTok. So always comes in handy. That is all of my groceries for the week. I go grocery shopping every 2 weeks. Sometimes I may have to pick something here and there, veggies, if I go and finish that. The groceries you guys have seen are honestly my staples. Another one of my staples, like I said, that I don't have here is just protein. So I have like, a lot of the times I buy like chicken or ground turkey, but we do have some leftover meat in the freezer. So I didn't have to buy any meat this time, and I got more fruits and veggies because that's something that I've just been incorporating a lot more into my diet. For sure, I was not good at incorporating veggies, and the last few weeks I've been really good at finishing all the veggies. I'm gonna pack everything back away, and I'm gonna share with you my go-to breakfast. You guys know I switch back and forth a lot with food, but right now I've been eating this the last 3 weeks, honestly straight. Even on weekends, I have been going for this option. Let's go ahead and put away the groceries. All I've been reaching for lately is just good old oatmeal. So I'll just share with you how I make mine. Super simple. It's not much, but it keeps me really full and satisfied. So I just use the Quaker whole grain Canadian oats. Quick oats, I'll take half a cup of oats. You can obviously use how much you prefer, but I find just having half a cup works for me. I feel really full after and satisfied. The only 2 ingredients I put into my oatmeal is just some ground cinnamon and some frozen berries. My breakfast is made. I honestly also love putting in the frozen berries into the oatmeal because once you put it in right away when it's hot, it melts really fast and it makes the oats taste so delicious. It's super simple. I don't put too much into my oats, and I just find that's good enough for me. It satisfies me. You can obviously go crazy with your oats and do a bunch of things. You can add peanut butter, a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten it up. You can add different fruits. It's really up to personal preference, but this is just what's been working and keeping me feel satisfied, full, and content. And of course, can't forget, drink my water. Once I'm done all that, I'm probably just gonna, you know, do a little bit of work and let it digest before I get into my morning walk slash run. So I've been trying to incorporate a morning workout outside, but I'm gonna wait till I digest everything and finish everything and all of that. So I will keep you guys posted once I am done and when I'm about to go and head out. Breakfast done. Update, I finished breakfast a little bit ago, just finished my first water bottle. Go ahead, refill this up, and I'm actually gonna go out for a walk and jog. I might try and film some clips, I think, on my phone. I'm gonna try just because it's hard to jog with this camera, and it's also kind of hard to film me jogging with a camera anyway, so I might try and get some clips, but that is what I'm gonna do right now. It is actually currently, what time is it? Yeah, okay, so it is currently 10:54 a.m., so still in the morning. It's kind of weird weather. It rained in the morning. It seems it's cleared now, but it kind of is still a little bit gloomy, so I'm low-key scared it's gonna start like raining or pouring while I'm like midway through my jog. But that's why I think I'm gonna go early now in the morning, because it says in the afternoon it might rain, but honestly the weather network here, I don't know, in Toronto is just never accurate. You never know what the weather's gonna be like, so I'm just gonna take my chance. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. I just came back from my walk, filled up my water. I am so out of breath. It is currently 11:47, so I was almost out for an entire hour, and I feel really good. I'm super sweaty. My hair is just a mess now. It's like a poofy mess. Before I go ahead and change my outfit and get out of my workout clothes, I'm gonna go downstairs and do some weights. So this is something I've been trying to incorporate as many days during the week as I can. I really wanna get back into weightlifting. I'll just film a quick little snippet of my workout downstairs. That I'm just going to obviously have some lunch and change. As you guys notice, I woke up and got straight into my workout clothes. I find that honestly helps me the most is getting into workout clothes right in the morning. Recently too, I've been trying to make an effort to try and wear more fitted clothing throughout the day, just because I found myself, especially in 2020, just wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt. It just makes you feel more aware when you're wearing fitted things. And I was kind of getting into this bad habit where I felt like I had to hide my body, and it was making me feel really insecure. So just putting on something that's more fitted, even if it's workout clothes, it doesn't have to be anything special. It makes you feel a lot better, and I feel a lot more confident, and it also motivates me to get up and moving and not just feel like I wanna be a couch potato all day long. Right now, I'm dripping sweat on my back, on my arms, underneath my underarms, on my forehead. It's just a mess. I'm a hot mess express. See you guys downstairs. I just finished my little workout and it is close to 1 p.m. now, so I'm gonna go ahead and head upstairs and change, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what I will be eating for lunch today. So I'll catch you guys once I'm changed. And I'm back. I finished my second water bottle. So I'm gonna go fill this up, of course. I am honestly feeling it now. I'm super tired. I feel like I got such a great workout today. And every single time I work out, I just feel so much better afterwards. Now I'm just gonna share with you what I'm gonna eat for lunch. This is going to be my lunch for the day. Super simple. So I just have a homemade burger, courtesy of my mom actually, and she makes them from scratch and they are just super delicious. So I'm gonna have this for some protein, and then I'm going to have a salad with just some veggies in it. This is the dressing I use. So for all my Canadians out there, check out your Farm Boy and their dressings. They're really yummy. This is the Italian vinaigrette. Probably will have also a premium protein. I love these. It gives a ton of protein, and lately in my diet I've been trying to incorporate a lot more protein, and I like to always follow up my workouts with some protein, whether it's a protein bar or a shake. It tastes like you're just drinking chocolate milk, so you cannot go wrong with that. And of course, I just filled up my water container again, so I'm gonna go ahead, sit down and eat this, and catch you guys up once I have an update. Lunch done. It was super delicious. I'm about to be done my water. I am going to drink this protein shake in a little bit. I'm a little bit full, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit and then kind of have this as my snack. For now, I'm just gonna go relax, do a little bit of work. I may just go outside, sit on the balcony a little bit, enjoy the sun. I have my bell peppers laid out and my onion, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and chop them up. Onions and veggies chopped. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the rice. I just finished cooking dinner, so I'll share with you how it all turned out. This is my dinner. I just have some rice, some peppers, sauteed peppers and onions, and then chicken on top for some protein. So I'm gonna go ahead, eat this, and then I'll probably go for my evening walk. I'm about to go out with Nicholas for our evening walk, and that's pretty much gonna be the rest of the day. I may have a snack if I am hungry, but I am currently super full. The dinner was honestly so delicious. I'll update you guys probably once I come back. Finishing the evening with 13,988 steps. It is pretty much the end of my night. I'm going to end off the video here. That's pretty much everything I've been doing recently when it comes to my fitness and health, just making sure that I'm active throughout the day. These are just all my little tips and tricks that I've been doing and things I've been eating lately to stay on track. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you want more videos like this and like vlog style videos, just bringing you guys along my day. I will also link my fitness and health playlist down below for you guys, and check that out because there's a ton more content on there. Let me know anything you guys want to see. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, and make sure you turn on the bell to be notified when those videos do drop. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!